A transaxillary breast augmentation refers to a breast augmentation performed through the armpit or through an axillary incision. The advantage of this technique is that it keeps scars off the breast itself. You still have scars in each armpit because that's how the pocket is made and that's how the implants are placed. However, for some women, it is important that they don't have any visible scars on their breasts, so they choose to have the scars in their armpits. So that is all a transaxillary breast augmentation is it's a breast augmentation performed through the armpit. Now, the advantage of this is that there are no scars on your breast, the scars are in your armpit. The disadvantage of a transaxillary breast augmentation is that it is a little bit more painful. The implants placed must be smooth implants and round implants, meaning I cannot place a shaped, textured implant through the armpit. It just doesn't work. Finally, the other downside to a transaxillary breast augmentation is that it leaves a scar in your armpit. So if you wear lots of sleeveless shirts and you do lots of activities where your arms are in the air, an armpit incision may be more visible and noticeable than an incision or scar on your breast. So it's really a matter of what's most important to you and which scar you prefer when having a breast augmentation. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.